Good morning, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel. We're doing something wonderful today. A while back I did some slider biscuits. And what we're doing this morning is, and if you look at our channel, the recipe and how to make those is on that, and they're wonderful. But there's wonderful things that you can do with them. Today we are doing our Cowboy Breakfast Slider Biscuits. We're going to do 4 different kinds, and we'll be showing you how to do that. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing ham, sausage, bacon, and cheese, and of course an egg. Doesn't that sound wonderful? All right, and of course we're doing this outside on our wood cook stove that is on the end of our patio here in Wyoming, and on a well-seasoned cast iron griddle that my husband loves to use. He just loves cooking out here. And like we told you, our channel is Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking, but we cook with all different kinds of cast iron. And it's wonderful and easy, and don't let cast iron intimidate you. It's very easy to take care of. Okay, we'll be showing you putting this together here shortly. Okay, what I'm going to do first is put my sausage on. Well, I guess it really doesn't matter. My husband's got this griddle nice and hot, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and put my ham and our bacon. We have some wonderful applewood smoked bacon going on here. And it's a perfect morning for being out here cooking. There's no wind, the sun's shining, it's beautiful. We hope you're enjoying this with us today. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And if you do subscribe, what that does is it tells you that every Tuesday we release a new video, which is absolutely wonderful. And you will be seeing on our channel our slider biscuits, how to make them, and they are so incredibly wonderful. It probably won't take long to cook this. My husband's got some good heat going on here. Okay, as you can see, our meat got done. Doesn't that look wonderful? Now we're going to go on to the eggs. And these are farm eggs that we get from our little neighbor close by. And they are a little hard to crack. She feeds them well. And we're going to let these cook, and then I'm going to break the yolk. It just works a lot better when you put them on your biscuit. Wow, don't those look wonderful? My goodness. And this griddle is nice and hot. And you can put pepper on here if you want, or whatever kind of seasoning you like. I'm going to go ahead and flip one of these. Show you how easy that is. Look at that, isn't that perfect? Maybe I'll just flip them all. You know, if you don't have a wood cook stove to cook this on, you can make it work in the house, however you want to do it. There we go. We're going to let these cook for a bit and let those yolks set up. Our eggs are done, and so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put these on our biscuits. There's our sausage one. Here's our bacon one. There's a ham and a ham. And now what I'm going to do is we are going to put Swiss cheese on one of our ham. We're going to put cheddar on the bacon. And this is a wonderful Hatch's cheese that we get. And it's got a kick to it. So if you like a kick, that has got a kick to it. And it's a soft cheese, like a Havarti. Look at this. And you put your little tops on. Of course, these are definitely Cowboy Breakfast Biscuits, as you can see. Don't those look yummy? My goodness. Now, if you go to our channel, if you go down to the link, there's recipes for all of our videos. And, of course, the Slider Biscuit recipe will be there also when you go to watch the Slider Biscuit video. We hope you enjoyed this with us today. Of course, we're going to eat these hearty biscuits. Not all of them, of course. We need some cowboys to show up to help us. And just remember, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. And thank you for joining us today. Until we meet again.